Welcome back to the online class. Children, this is your online EVS class and I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Here we are revising our 7th chapter, Climates of India. Today we are going to revise and answer the following questions. Answer the following. First question, what is the difference between climate and weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a place over a short span of time, like a few hours or a day. But climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time, such as 30 years or more. The next question, explain two main factors that determine the climate of a place. The two main factors that determine the climate of a place are altitude and distance from the sea. Altitude. Temperature decreases with increasing height. Hence, the higher the location of a place, the colder its climate. That is why Himalayan region is colder than the northern plains. Distance from the sea. Coastal areas enjoy a moderate climate because of the winds blowing from the sea. They are neither too hot nor too cold. This is why coastal cities like Mumbai have moderate climate throughout the year. What are the major seasons of India? Yes, the major seasons of India are summer, monsoon and winter. Write brief notes on summer, monsoon and winter in India. First of all, summer. Summer in India usually starts in March and lasts till June. April and May are the hottest months. Days are longer and nights are shorter during summer. The hottest part of India are the northern, northwestern and the central states. Hot dry winds called Lu blow during summer in northern plains. The coastal areas have hot and humid summer. The next one is monsoon. The monsoon winds bring rain to most part of the India during June, July and August. The Coromandel coast in southeastern India gets rainfall between October and November. The western coastal plain, the western Ghats and the northeastern states receive heavy rainfall. Monsoon in Meghalaya has recorded the highest rainfall in India. The Thar Desert and Rann of Kutch receive very little rainfall. Next winter. Winter begins in November and lasts till February. January is the coldest month. Days become shorter and nights are long. The mountainous parts of northern and northeastern India get snow from December to February. The coastal parts of India have very mild winters. Children, write and study each question answers 2 times for the next class. Study the whole lesson. Okay? We'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.